Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be my last Halloween makeup tutorial for my Halloween series. It was fun. I had so much fun, but right now it's getting a little bit hectic and we're about to move, so pardon my, disappearance a little bit, but you guys know how it is when you gotta move and shit's about to get hectic. So first and foremost, we're gonna start with our face. I already primed my face with this Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. I'm testing this bad boy out just because maybe I was using it wrong and maybe that's why my foundation looked a little bit blotchy, but I just washed my face, moisturized my face, sprayed my face with this Pearl Essence Rose Water. This is my favorite spray at the moment. Like, Juicy Jazz put me on. I need to get another one, obviously, because I'm about to run out. But yeah, so I'm just testing out this Origins, and we're gonna see how my face looks when I do put on my foundation, which is right now. Let's go. Foundation, I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in the shade 05 Warm Beige, and my pump is obviously still not working, so we just gonna make it work. So just taking a random beauty sponge that I had laying around, we're just gonna pat away this foundation, blending it in, making sure we ain't got no creases and whatnot. This foundation is bomb. The coverage is amazing. If you guys have not tried out this Milani foundation, go get you one. You're welcome in advance or whatever. So here we're just gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Medium Honey, and I am so sorry this clip blurred the F out. I do apologize, but we're just gonna wing it out. You guys know how I conceal and cover, so let's just do it. Same beauty sponge, we're just gonna blend away all that concealer. Now, typically I always use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as a eyeshadow base, but I decided to use this Unique Cosmetics Moonstrike Eyeshadow Primer. I love it, you guys. I love it. Bomb. Now going into the Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter Stack. This is the shade Blur, and I'm just adding that to my crease. Then taking the Shadow Unseen, and I'm going to add that all over my lids. So all last minute, I realized that I did not have any lash glue, so I wasn't able to put lashes on here. But when you ain't got no lash glue or no lashes, you work with what you got. And originally, as you guys can see, I have very long lashes, so we just wing it out, okay? Just add some extra mascara and you good to go. Now going in with the Lorac Pro Contour Palette, and we're just going to contour our faces. Fuck